what we're doing now is we are storing the result of AddNumbers into the result variable. So what I can do is I can go ahead and say int result2 equals blah, int result3 equals blah. I can do this all day. And when I run this program, what's going to happen? Well, nothing. Nothing's going to happen because there is no output in this program anymore. The only console input-output that we're doing is this console read key, and that's not going to affect anything. That just pauses the console. So what we've done is conceptually very important. We have made it so that AddNumbers is no longer responsible for printing itself. But unfortunately, we've also made it by doing that, we've made it the responsibility of main to do something with the result. So now what I can do is I can say console writeLine result equals result. And then I can do 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. So now main has the responsibility of doing something with the result. And again, this makes the method more complicated because if we had 100 lines of code in AddNumbers, we might want to reuse this result for different purposes. Sometimes we might want to print out to the console. Sometimes we might want to print out to the a file. And so now when I hit F5, we get our results printed out again.